Happy birthday to you, it's your special day. Let the music play, we're here to stay.
Hi Beshi Red, happy birthday Beshi, love you. Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo at mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. At para sa'yo naman Ched, happy birthday Chedeng. Puking ina mo, kumantot ka hanggang tumitigas ang titi mo Ched, happy birthday yo.
Yo, happy birthday nga pala kay partner. And masasabi ko lang sa'yo, for birthday to ka, malagaan mo yung baby mo. Nandito lang kami buong wow, maalalay sa'yo. Yun lang. At kay Ched, happy birthday sa'yo Ched. Ha? Magpakabait ka lalo ha. Plus 10 ka na sa langit. Tangina mo, mamatay ka na.
Happy birthday, favorite. Your birthday to come. Ingat kayo ni Natnat. I love you. Chideng! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to Kabsat Red and Ched. Hope both of you are having your best birthday ever. And I wish you both good health and long life. And sana malayo kayo lagi sa sakit. At sana i-bless pa kayo ni God. To Kabsat Red, alam kong madami na tayong pinagdaanan. And gusto ko lang malaman mo na I'm so proud of you as my Kabsat and the mom of Nathan. And laban lang. Alam mo kung kinaya ko, kaya mo rin. Okay? Mahal na mahal kita. And to Ched, I love you. I love you both and happy birthday again.
Ayan, happy birthday, Ched and Ate Red. Kay Ched, mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo, Ched, and ingat lagi. Kay Ate Red naman, Ate Red, you know naman kung gaano kita ka-love. And I just want to thank you for everything. Through ups and downs, di mo ako iniwan. And, lagi man tatandaan na nandito lang ako parate para sa inyo ni Nathan. Marami pa tayong pagsasamahan pag uwi ko. And I love you so much, ate. Manang ko. Walang magbabago. Love you.
Unang-una, happy birthday Paula. More birthdays to come. Enjoy lang lagi. And unang-una, thank you. Kasi kung hindi dahil sa'yo, wala ako sa farm na to. Thank you sa pag-invite sa akin. And salamat sa inyo. Kasi lagi kayo nandyan. Na pwede kong mapagtanungan kung ano man. Basta, lagi kang mag-iingat and sana maging happy ka lang lagi. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit. God bless.
Yo, what's up? So nga pala batiin ng happy birthday para kay Ate Red sa kay Ched. Yun, ang mensahe ko lang kay Ate Red na yun nga ate, stay humble as always and salamat sa lahat ng advices and andyan ka palagi sa tuwing kailangan kita. Andyan ka palagi bilang ate ko. Yan, sana mapalaki mo na maayos si Nathan. Alam ko kaya mo yan. Ikaw pa. Strong and independent woman ka. Yun, enjoy mo na yung araw mo ate and always stay na maganda. Kay Ched naman, yo parin Ched, happy birthday sa'yo. Dahil birthday mo, maliwanag ang buhay, Meralco. I love you brother. Kumayo ka at magpaarami. Sobrang bait mo tol, wala akong masasabi sa'yo. Yun lang, enjoy mo din yung araw mo na to. And stay ka lang sa Eddie Wow. Isa ka sa pinakamalupit na pioneering para sa akin. Yun, I love you brother and happy birthday.
Hello naman so much. First of all, happy birthday sa maganda kong ate. Yes. Enjoy your day. Palagi mong iingatan yung sarili mo para kay Nathan. lagi mong tatandaan, nandito lang kaming lahat para sa'yo. If kailangan mo kami. If hindi, andito pa rin, bading, bakit? Mahal na mahal ka namin. You're the best ate, girl. You know that. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit. I love you so much. Mwah. Hello naman sa'yo, Ched. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. More you can to come. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, love. Ingat palagi. Love kita. I love you. Be beautiful always. Tapos, nandito lang ako lagi para sa iyo. Basta happy birthday. Love you. Happy birthday, Ched. Basta happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi. Tapos, ingat palagi. And be happy. Thank you.
Welcome. Happy birthday. Good health and long life. Kung mga 300 years pa, at naman kung buhay. Walang sisita ngayon. Tulog sila yun. Hindi ako makakabig sa pagkaita. Bye-bye.
Hi, Ched. Ayan, happy birthday sa'yo. Ayan, my goodness, magka-birthday pala tayo. Ayan, happy birthday sa'yo. Ayan, mag-iingat ka lagi. Ayan, sana lagi kang healthy. Ayan, sana good health ka lagi. Happy birthday ulit. Ayan.
Happy birthday, Ate Red. Wish you all the best. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Stay healthy. At, ayun.
Happy birthday to you. It's your special day. Let the music play.